Hi, it's Hazy. Would you like to make nice flat pages for your junk journal? I have got an idea. Wow. Well, this is let's find what I did last night to show you. I thought, wow, that's a brilliant idea. Let's have a look. There. What, using up your washi tape? It makes it look like almost like a landscape. I think that's great. And I did that as well with vellum and washi tape anyhow. But that, I thought it was an amazing idea. And today I'm going to use browns. And I've decided that in my middle pages, I'm going to do completely flat, or as flat as possible pages, but still decorate them. Did that last night, similar to what I've done before, but I did it upside down. That's faux handwriting. I did the faux handwriting upside down. Don't know if it's obvious. I think it probably is. Anyway, I was going to go on this page, plain white, and we're going to stick down some washi tape, and I'm going to glue the pages first. Obviously washi tape won't stick, always stick, it will probably peel up after a time, so I'm putting some glue down. So I've got table rocking, rock. So I thought I would show you how I did this, and I thought it made it look nice. Now what I did was with that, I put down anything at all, anything out of the first thing I picked up that was quite a fat piece. Let's see how many inches these are. These are, oh, about is it 5/8 of an inch? I'd imagine I would imagine it's about 5/8 of an inch or so. It's over half an inch anyway, so we'll do that. And obviously you can put more glue down as the time goes on. So now I'm just picking anything up. Where's my little scissors? I'm going to cut them off. Can't see the top of the page, but hey, you can, and you're saying to me that's wrong. If it does buckle a bit, you can come along and smooth it down. It doesn't really matter. I mean, I have, you can ink that edge up anyway, can't you? Like I'm going to do anyway at the end. I bought my ink rubbers, and I'm going to grab any. This is a, oh, if you notice when you do washi tapes, they start from the left, so it's best if you pull them out from the left. And I don't know why they do that. I would prefer right. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, I'm coming. I've got some. It's hanging over the edge, but whatever comes on this page will either cover it or not. We'll find some way of making a flat page there, because this is almost the middle of my third signature in this book. It's a massive fat. I did try and peel that one earlier, but I don't know if I can do it. It's one of those that's split. I don't think it'll matter if it does, but I would prefer to perhaps put them on afterwards, because then you've still got a nice crisp edge to work from. But let me I don't think I'm going to do it, am I? No, that's still refusing to join in. Now here we go. Right, so I can put this one down. I do like this one. I'm doing it from the right, but it doesn't matter on this one, obviously. But the ones with pictures on, they usually have them upside down, from the left to the right, not upside down. I suppose you could come along and try and glue that out. Right, that's not sticking. It's got glue on it. Stick, and do as you're told. Right, let's get this off. I suppose you can have little bits. If at the end, if you've got bits that you could just put them perhaps in places like that to break up the lines if you want to. At the moment, I'm just coming along and dropping my things. I'm just coming along and putting them anyhow. Right, so look, this is, if you pull it from the left, look, it comes out as pictures. Now, if you did want to obviously use this as a journaling page, you could. I mean, it's not going to be too flat, but you could make a pocket out of sticking washi tape on paper and then sticking the pocket in, That's if you're not too fat like mine. Mine's huge. It's so fat. That's the first signature mainly. I'm up to the third signature. That's the third, middle of the third one. But it's so fat, isn't it? I've fed it so much. Right. Let's have a thinnish one. So I'm choosing now. Wasn't last night. But this is another. I don't know where these are from. These. I'm not sure where I got them all from. The ones I got that are good quality, seem to be the good quality ones, are the, it's ZQ, looks like ZQ OMO. I don't know if it's ZAQ OMO, I think it's ZQ. Looks like it's Q to me now. I'm just being careful with this one because I don't know what that is. Got some foreign writing there. Don't know what that says. Can't see it, not concentrating on it. Hope it's not bad. So there we go. So there we go. Right, no, we do not, excuse me, but you have to go in that bin, I'm afraid. There we go. I've got my cardboard box bin. My cereal box bin. Still in my husband's room. So I don't know how long I'm going to be in here for. I know my son's going to finish his dissertation any day, he says. So I'm nearly finished, Mum. I've done my 5,000 words. I can do up to 6,000. Discussion on the B-cell thing he's done. Don't ask me. That one's the same as that, isn't it? No, it isn't. No, it's not. Yeah, it's a different one. So that's obviously, it's either a different one or it's just got different pictures. I think it is a different one. Whoops, I'm not sorry for rocking the camera. It's all very cramped, so it's very difficult to, I mean, I've got room, but I've got to move the camera in. So it's, so you can see, right, this one is one of those ones that would annoy me, because it bounces, no, not because of that actually, but because they do tend to peel, but they've got scenes on them. And they're so nice, the scenes, if you can get them to, oh look, it's doing it now, look. So try and get that to peel straight. Oh, come on. Do as you're told. Right, so now this, if you put it like again from the left, do it slowly, and it's not, doesn't help that it's not completely round, but it's got little animals and that. You see those birds, mountainous scenes. I've got a load of those, but because they started to annoy me, so I'm never getting them again. But they haven't got a name in them, so I assume they're, you know, from a company that didn't want to be named. No, that's horrible. No, they do lovely scenes, gorgeous scenes. Now that one, another one in there's got oh, got an edge of an animal there. But the other one I did has, where are we now? I don't know where I put my picture. The other one I did, I think it's in the first signature right at the end, isn't it? Yeah, that one's got clouds there. That's nice. Right, yeah, that's the only one I used of those. Although I like that one with the leaves. That's not, I'm not sure what that one's from, but it's not the same one as the scene one. Right, where we go? We've got a sailing ship. Look, these are vintage images. These are the cool. The Zuomo one, that was ZQ Omo things. I've seen other things. I've got another one by them, and it was like a Chinese design, but that had a backing on it. These haven't, which is better, because if you got backing, you've got to peel twice. You've got to peel it off the, well, actually you don't have to peel back, you just have to unravel it, don't you? And then, I don't know if I've got it handy, or one of them handy. No, oh, there's my scissors. I was thinking, oh, and I've got some more brown tape. I like that one. Oh, I can actually tear that with a nail. So I'm coming down with my nail and tearing. My nail's not even sharp. It's not even polished, and it's not even manicured. I've got a daughter who will manicure, but she's not done my nails. She hasn't even dyed my hair yet. probably going to arrive in a minute. Mom, I'm going to dye your hair now. Yes, but I'm making a video. All right, and I'll go then. Yeah, that's what it's like. Yeah, and if she sees this, she'll recognise that. She'll know what I mean. Yeah, yeah, that's the one with the 3 sons. Right. So that comes along here. So I'm not choosing what I'm putting down, but that will make a nice little edge there. Moving it up. Look, I've even done it fairly straight, because that's fairly straight at the bottom. That's one thing you've got to, if you're going to do this, it's one thing you've got to sort of like take note of. If you want it straight at the bottom, you have to be careful and make it. Perhaps you could put some down at the bottom first. I started at the top. That might help. I don't know. Right, here's a thin one. This is like a reel of film. It's the thin. Don't know if that's the Cuomo one as well. I call it Cuomo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Got a Q in it. It's a Cuomo. Right, there we go. There we go. Okay, we didn't have to even cut that one off yet. So I'll cut them off together. Right then. So there's a nice flat page, and that looks quite interesting. You've got all those vintage images in your journal. Is anybody else interested in those other types of journals where you do daily tasks? I mean, I'm so interested, but I can't do it because I just can't organise it. I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it? It's supposed to organise you, but I can't organise it. Strange. Oops. Oh. So, you know, I'm just getting on there. Don't know how many videos I've made now. 30? Probably more, actually. I'm trying to make my first 35 videos, and they're supposed to be the amateur ones. Right, after that I should be professional. Right, but we'll see, won't we? Because I mean, I've got a lot of stories in mine. It's said, I did see you're supposed to put your own personality, and I've already done that. My personality is definitely in my videos. So if you want to know what my personality is like, just watch my videos. Hopefully you'll think, oh my god, what an idiot. No, hopefully you'll think, you know, it's okay. I mean, it is me as I am, warts and all, not trying to be perfect in any way at all. Right, because that's not me at all. Because guess what? I'm not perfect. If you're trying to be perfect, you've had it. If you're trying to make videos, don't try and be perfect. You don't need it. Right then, this is it's my walnut stain distress oxide. It's got a little bit of the only oxide I've got, which is the black soot, but it's not got that. It's not there anymore. I put a tiny little bit on to try and make it a bit more wet, but it's not. I don't think it's even done it because I've left it off overnight, which is definitely me, I'm afraid. Right. So you do get a bit of advice, you know, on these videos. But like I was giving advice on how, if you want to be a writer, I've done that, been there, done that. The best way to do that is write anything at all first thing in the morning. As soon as you get up, sit down, get a pen and write anything at all for 10 minutes, half an hour. I thought that was the advice I read in the book. I'm not sure if it was a short story book or something else to write short stories. But anyway, you can see how that brings that out. I mean, you can't really ink up every. I suppose you could sit there and ink round your washi tape if you really wanted to, but you can you want to put a bit of colour on the white, which I've got there, you can put a bit of colour on that white there, which does make a bit of difference, I think, to that now. And I'm going to come along the edge there. Look, I've managed to get rid of all the bits. Oh no, can you see? Managed to get rid of all the bits off the edge. Yeah, the complaints I'll get is your table is rocking or your camera is rocking. No, it's not, it's my cat table. Right, so ooh, this is definitely wet. Well, not wet, you know what I mean, it's doable. Right then, there is a nice quick video for you, and if you did want to obviously write on that, put a bit of gesso on it, but I think that looks great as it is. You could use that page as your writing page. That page is your interest page. I say you could put a pocket on there if you want, if you really wanted. I'm not going to, because this is going to be my flat. This is going to be my flat signature. So I'm doing everything flat. So that's flat. That's flat. Oh, actually, I've got some things already in here that aren't flat. But from now on, I'm going to do everything flat. Well, that's flat, but that's not flat. That's got some pages in it. So that's my first, yeah, that's my first page of that one. But everything else is going to be flat. I thought the middle page is going to be flat. Middle pages are all going to be nice and flat, because look at that one. I've got some. Oh, I've got a bobbly thing in there. That's why. Oh, that doesn't necessarily go in there. That's one of those hidden paperclip things. I could put that in another one anyway. Whoops. Oh, I did have some stamps hidden with a pin under the pin. This, I do love that. Right, so that's showing you how to do that in a video. Whoops, I'm knocking everything off. I've shown you how to do that, which is similar to what I've done in the middle. Showed you how to make those, but that's a different one to that one. I showed you those, that was yesterday's video, but obviously it's going to be, it's not uploaded as yet. What's my current favourite page in this journal is this one. I love that one at the moment. That's fairly flat. So I might do another one. I can't do it. I'm not obviously not on camera, but I've done that one on camera. And that one is one of my favourite ones at the moment. And if you wanted to, you can make each one of these journaling spots. I haven't, but you could. So that's an interest page on there, and there's the journaling spots on there. Got them round the other way. You can have them which way you like. So that's just a piece of double-sided thing, and that's fairly flat now. I mean, you could do masterboard and that, can't you? So anyway, Hank, hope you've enjoyed my I did that the other week. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please, if you do, like, to let me know you've enjoyed it, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thanks. And there's some more pages. I've shown you how, that's the ones I did do on camera. So please look at those. And you can hear all my stories about the family, coal fires, how it was as a child, stuff like that. Thank you and goodbye.